The variable speed switch in your cordless tool performs several functions. First, it allows you to turn the tool on and off, and adjust the motor speed. Second, it allows you to change the direction the motor rotates. And third, it has the contacts that the battery connects to. Over time, the switch can wear out, either not turning on, or losing its ability to vary the speed of the motor. The battery contacts can break off, or be melted by a shorted out battery. Replacing the variable speed switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the battery and then disassembling one half of the housing. I'll use a knife to cut through the sticker at the base of the handle. And now I can separate the two halves. Now I'll lift the switch and remove the change lever. I'll use a small screwdriver to pull the connector away from the housing. This connector connects the LED lights on the front of the tool to the switch. And I'll separate the connector. Now I can lift the gearbox and motor assembly away from the housing. And I'll pull this assembly away from the brushes. Now I can begin installing the new switch. I'll disconnect the old switch wires from the brush ring, and I'll pull the switch from the housing. You'll notice that the old switch is a little different from the new switch. The biggest difference is I'll need to remove and discard this plastic plate, as it's built into the new switch. I'll align the new switch with the housing and insert the components into the housing. And now I'll reconnect the brush ring. The yellow wire on the bottom, and the black wire on top. Now I'll reinstall the motor and gearbox assembly. I'll insert the commutator through the brush ring. To do that, I'll need to pull back the brushes. Now I'll begin aligning the motor with the housing. I'll reconnect the wire for the LED lights at the front of the tool. And now I need to reinstall the change lever. You'll notice the change lever is cut out on one side, and that cutout fits around the wire connector. So I'll place the change lever into the housing, align the post on the switch with the notch in the change lever, and then as I insert this into the housing, I'll make sure that the wire connector slides down into the recess in the housing. I'll make sure I have all the wires tucked out of the way. Like that. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the other half of the housing. The battery clip can be a little bit of an oddball. I want to make sure that I have both ends of the clip installed in the housing before I install the other half. I'll make sure everything is aligned. And then secure it with the screws. And now you know how to replace the switch assembly in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.